Right,
Record his first steps, eh?
Yeah.
Jacob Dawson's first steps. You ready? Go on then. Are you ready? Concentrate. Clever boy. Are you ready? And again. And again. Go on then. Up. Go on your feet. Go on. Chop, chop. Get walking. No, walk, don't run. Let's walk. Let's walk. Up. Let's walk this way. Go on then. Go on then. No. What's this? Go on then. Let's walk. Yay! Let's walk. Are you ready? Go on then. You walk. That's it. Oh! Are you walking?
No, we've lost it. Sorry, we can't get it back.
Go on then.
I can't really.
Go on, Jacob.
Thank you.
Let's walk.
What is that?
Are you ready? Are you ready to walk? Go on then. Oh. Good recovery. Go on then.
Come here then. Come here then.
Come on.
Action.
Oh, no, you're not giving him a chance to move. Move. Go on then.
Can I do the next one?
Let's walk. Oh no, is that enough now?
There you go.